Don't put all your eggs in one basket is an old proverb. That means that we should not rely too much on one thing or person. This is especially true when it comes to achieving success or overcoming difficulties in our lives. We need to diversify our efforts and not focus all our energy on one thing. When we put all our eggs in one basket, we risk losing everything if that basket breaks. This can be applied to our personal lives, career, finances, and relationships. For example, investing all our money in one stock can be risky, as if the company fails, we could lose everything. Similarly, relying on one person for emotional support or friendship can be difficult if that person moves away or becomes unavailable. To bring luck and achieve success, we need to spread our efforts across different areas. This means diversifying our investments, building a network of friends and colleagues, and having multiple revenue streams. It also means being adaptable and open to change. If we encounter a setback or obstacle, having multiple options can make it easier to bounce back. While it's important to have a clear goal and focus our energy, we should not do this at the expense of other areas in our lives. The proverb reminds us to think long-term and to have a backup plan. By spreading our efforts, we increase our chances of success and make it easier to overcome difficulties when they arise. So, if you want to succeed in life, remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Additionally, diversifying our efforts can also lead to new opportunities and experiences that we may not have otherwise encountered. By branching out and trying new things, we expand our knowledge, skills, and connection. This can open doors to new career paths, hobbies, and even relationships. However, it's important to strike a balance between diversifying our efforts and spreading ourselves too thin. We don't want to become overwhelmed by trying to do too many things at once. Instead, we should prioritize our goals and make sure we have the time and resources to give appropriate attention to each area. In conclusion, the proverb, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," is a valuable reminder to diversify our efforts and not rely too heavily on one thing or person. By spreading our energy across different areas, we increase our chances of success, overcome difficulties, and have new experiences. So, take a step back and think about how you can apply this to your own life to achieve your goals and find fulfillment. Remember that diversification doesn't guarantee success and can come with its own risks. It's important to do your research and seek advice before making any major decision. At the same time, don't be afraid to take calculated risks and step out of your comfort zone. By keeping the proverb in mind and being mindful of our efforts, we can increase our chances of success and lead a fulfilling life. So, start diversifying today and see where it takes you. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.